Yeah, it's a little bit hard.
It is, yeah. Because Shayla would have been, no presents. Well, we woke up to no presents, but it's alright. That thing was expensive. Plus, I gave her $240 to buy for her old people, her old friends. Her people.
Well, the stuff doesn't look like the same, but
She got $100 from Homemaker, and then we spent it, me and her. And the next day, I owed her $250. My interest really went up. But she bought all presents with that money.
Oh.
From the time she seen you guys. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. She was shopping.
oh, is that ever a good sub? I want to go back there.
I'm going to go to sub.
I want to buy another one. They're good.
Where did you go to Best Buy?
You got a